Want to instantly boost your website's trust and skyrocket conversions? Today, I'll show you how to seamlessly integrate and showcase Google reviews on your Elementor website. First, make sure you have Elementor installed and activated on your WordPress website. Then, you'll need a plugin to bridge the gap between Google reviews and Elementor. I recommend searching for a Google reviews plugin in a WordPress plugin directory. There are free and paid options, so choose one that suits your needs. Popular choices often offer intuitive Elementor widgets. Install and activate your chosen plugin. Next, you'll need to connect your website to your Google business profile. The plugin you installed will guide you through this process. This usually involves authenticating with your Google account and granting the plugin permission to access your Google reviews data. Now, open the Elementor page where you want to display your Google reviews. From the Elementor editor, search for the Google Reviews widget provided by your plugin. Drag and drop the widget onto your page. Once the widget is in place, you'll see customization options in the Elementor sidebar. Here, you can select the Google Place ID associated with your business, choose the number of reviews to display, and customize the layout and design. Experiment with different styles to match your website's branding. Many plugins also allow you to filter reviews based on star rating or keywords. This is helpful for highlighting the most positive feedback or addressing specific customer concerns. Preview your page to see how the Google reviews look on your website. Make any necessary adjustments to the design and layout. Finally, publish or update your page to make the Google reviews live for your website visitors.